All right, everybody. So why am I filming outside on the side of my house? Well, apparently Adobe Premiere Pro, their brand new beta, has a new feature in there that is supposed to enhance your audio, not just, isolate your voice or anything like that, but also to apparently EQ it. So this is outside. There's a lot of, locusts and everything right now, or whatever you want to call them, katydids, making a lot of noise. There's a, main highway right by my house as well, too. So I figured we would just try this outside right here. So hopefully this should be picking up a lot of stuff. It's my DJI wireless microphone. Okay, let's go see if this works.
All right, everybody, and here we are inside of the Premiere Pro beta. Now, as you can see, I got that footage that you just heard, and hopefully that audio should have been nice and crispy, nice and basically quiet other than my voice, right? So let's go ahead and see how this works inside of the Premiere Pro beta. So I'm going to take this footage, going to just drag it right here onto my timeline, going to go ahead and just make it a little bit bigger, and, expand it out like this here so we can all see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and make a little cut right here because, frankly, nobody really cares to hear silence right there, and I keep hitting the button, but there we go. Wasn't hitting the mouse click hard enough, y'all. Sorry about that. Okay, so how do you actually apply that effect here in post? Well, you want to go right up here, then you want to go to audio, and then you want to make sure the track that you want to enhance is highlighted. Go ahead and click on dialogue. Then all you got to do is this here, y'all. Enhance speech. Just make sure that's checked to enable it. Then click this here. Give it a second. And it should be good to go right now.
Outside on the side of my house. Well, apparently Adobe Premiere Pro, their brand new beta,
it sounds awesome, y'all. It really does. But what I'm going to do, though, to really push it is in that clip you all just saw, I had it at max.
Okay.
And what I liked about it was that it didn't add any kind of artifacts to my voice. It just cleared everything out. And apparently the way they do this is that, from what I was reading, it synthesizes your voice using AI, and it cancels everything else out behind your voice, and then it applies that AI-built voice back to the track to where it literally sounds like it's just you talking and nothing else. And as you can see here, folks, is that I'm going to go ahead and play this here back again.
So why am I
slider here,
right? On the side of my house? Well, apparently Adobe Premiere Pro, their brand new beta,
so that way there you can actually mix it to what you want. So like, let's say you're at a sporting event or something, and you actually want a little bit of that, that ambient noise coming through the microphone to essentially help tell the story of the place where you might be filming at. Well, you can do that. You can, have it like halfway mixed in or maybe less. Or like for an extreme example in this clip, let's say you only want your voice to come through, slam that thing up to 1.0, and it'll essentially cancel everything out but your voice. It's really, really, really good. I like it a lot. So yeah, Adobe, awesome job. Now again, if you want to give this a shot for yourself, all you have to do is download the Adobe Premiere Pro beta, play around with it, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will catch you guys and gals next time.